Here's my screencast demonstration of project0 Google search. Number one, I have the links to the image and advanced search on the top right. Number two, I have the rounded text input box. And for number three, I'll demonstrate the search. And for number four, I'll demonstrate the I'm feeling lucky button. And for number five, I'll demonstrate the image search. And then for number six, I'll demonstrate the advanced search. And finally, for seven, I'll demonstrate the responsive web design and also show that it's centered. And that's it for this demonstration. Thank you.